my gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Each day we are adding up more and more happy clients, and we are also very happy in serving you all. Before purchasing, the main thing, your responsibility is to read the descriptions and then place your orders. If you have any doubts before placing orders, you can WhatsApp us to our number 958550167. And for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Alright, and today what we are going to show is, this is a super duper response saree, where this is linen by Tessar with a border on both the sides. There are two ranges in these sarees where you can find the difference accordingly, because these are all first time I'm going to show, all with border concepts. And the saree is so amazing. It's a pure handloom by linen stuff, and you can find all over embroidery for this saree. It's too pretty. And white lovers, it is your episode especially. See, this is the contrast matching color for the blouse for the saree, and the second beautiful color is this. It's a very nice sober color. Such a nice amazing concepts these are all, where the big border comes down and the small border comes up. And this is the pallu portion, and it's a wine color. It's light wine, purple, violet, mixed color blouse for this. And what's next? See this, such a beautiful lovely yellow, and the yellow is really very subtle one in this. See this yellow in this saree, such a pretty beautiful saree. See, this yellow is so good, so beautiful, and the feel is really amazing. You can go for a single pleat also. And the blouse is little this thing, it's a contrast matching mix and match. And the second yellow is this, so beautiful. The saree itself, it's very elegant and posh looking sarees. These are all because of the fabric and because of the very decent embroideries all over. And this is how the saree look. And this comes with the same matching blouse, yellow color blouse. Then my next half white is this super duper collection. This time I have got all with border concept. Right now I am showing, and the ranges varies accordingly, without the zari border and with this zari border. And this is for the pleat area. I'll show this way. See, this is such a beautiful amazing saree. Shoulder pallu is this, and rest for the pleat area, the embroidery comes this way, and this is a contrast matching blouse. And then see this border is simple border, where I'm wearing a rich border. Accordingly you can go for. And see this, such a beautiful amazing concept, lovely pretty concept. See this, so lovely it is. And this is the same matching blouse, or else you can mix and match however you want it to. And see the saree, it's again all are with slight different colors. So for colors and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. These are all the borders are little subtle one. It comes with the silver zari mixed with yellow. See this, such a beautiful amazing saree. It looks really good. And then see this is a white color with all over design, self design. And see this, such a beautiful amazing concepts. These are all super duper. Whoever missed last time can go for this time with a different new concept, with different new embroideries all are. And this with this pale yellow color, all are linen by Tessar, handloom linen by Tessar. Whoever or pure lovers can go for this saree. And see this, so nice multicolored embroidery, but still it is so subtle. The beauty of the saree is so amazing. See this, it's a pale rose color flowers all over. So pretty looking. At the saree itself, it's smiling. See how beautiful it is. And my last saree is this with zari border. So accordingly the zari and borders and everything, the prices varies. All right. So my last saree is this. Such a beautiful saree. Very nice, different color. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing my collection. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Tirunelveli. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page. For any assistance for booking on WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp to our number 958-550-1762. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of new collections during this December month. Thank you so much. Bye.